natural health for beginners.
How to make colloidal oatmeal at home and how to use it. Welcome to the guide on how to make colloidal oatmeal at home and how to use it. Colloidal oatmeal is a finely ground oat product known for its skin-soothing properties. It's a popular ingredient in skincare products, especially for treating dry, itchy, or irritated skin. Making it at home is easy, and you can use it in various ways to enhance your skincare routine. Ingredients you'll need: whole oats, rolled oats or oat groats, a coffee grinder, food processor, or blender, warm water for mixing. Steps to make colloidal oatmeal. Measure the oats. Take about 1 to 2 cups of oats, depending on how much colloidal oatmeal you want to make. Rolled oats work well, but oat groats are a great option if you want a more natural result. Grind the oats. Place the oats into a coffee grinder, food processor, or blender. Grind them until they form a fine powder. The finer the oats are ground, the more effective they will be in dissolving into water and creating a soothing treatment. Tip: to check if your oats are ground finely enough, mix a small amount with warm water. If the water turns milky and the mixture feels smooth, not grainy, you're good to go. Store the colloidal oatmeal. Transfer the ground oats into an airtight container. Store it in a cool, dry place to maintain freshness. Colloidal oatmeal can last for several months if stored properly. How to use colloidal oatmeal. Oatmeal bath. One of the most popular ways to use colloidal oatmeal is in a bath to soothe dry, itchy, or irritated skin. Instructions: fill your bathtub with warm water. Add about 1 cup of colloidal oatmeal to the bath. Stir the water to help the oatmeal dissolve. Soak in the bath for 15 to 20 minutes, gently rubbing the oatmeal-infused water on your skin. Benefits: this bath is great for conditions like eczema, sunburn, or general irritation. It helps hydrate the skin and reduce inflammation. Face mask. Colloidal oatmeal can also be used to make a simple, nourishing face mask. Instructions: mix 2 tablespoons of colloidal oatmeal with enough water to create a thick paste. Apply the paste to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Benefits: the face mask helps to calm redness, hydrate dry patches, and exfoliate gently. Body scrub. You can combine colloidal oatmeal with a bit of sugar or honey to create a gentle exfoliating body scrub. Instructions: mix 2 tablespoons of colloidal oatmeal with 1 tablespoon of sugar and enough honey to form a scrub-like consistency. Gently massage the mixture onto your skin, then rinse off in the shower. Benefits: this scrub helps exfoliate dead skin cells while moisturizing, making your skin feel soft and smooth. Spot treatment for irritated skin. For quick relief of insect bites, rashes, or small areas of irritation, colloidal oatmeal can be applied as a paste directly to the affected area. Instructions: mix colloidal oatmeal with water to create a thick paste. Apply the paste to the irritated area and leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. Rinse with cool water. Benefits: this helps reduce itching and inflammation while promoting healing. Conclusion: making colloidal oatmeal at home is simple and cost-effective. Whether you use it in a soothing bath, as a face mask, or as part of a scrub, colloidal oatmeal offers numerous benefits for your skin. It's perfect for anyone with sensitive skin or conditions like eczema, or if you just want to pamper yourself with natural skincare treatments. Try it out and see how it transforms your skincare routine. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY skincare tips.